Hi Crafty Friends, this is Sylvia. I hope everyone is having a wonderful night. Welcome back, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do a little bit of everything. It's something's from Amazon, and I also went to a scrapbook convention. I think it was on this past Friday. So let's see what I got. A couple of little things. I thought this was just very cute. These are basically little mirrors. So I got this one. This is Perfect Life. It's very pretty. It's got like little, it's very sparkly. And it's got two shoes, high heel shoes, and it's got a little purse and a butterfly. So when you open this, it's basically it's got a mirror inside. A mirror. So I think I'm going to give this one to my mom. Okay, so she can put it in her purse. And then this one I got for myself. Okay, it's very cute. It's pink, and it's got a little mirror, some lips, mascara, I guess eyeshadow, a little, I don't think that's like a little brush, powder blush, and a makeup bag with some makeup. Just very adorable. I just thought these was cute. These also make very good gifts, guys. And they came with these little bags. I love it. Love these. Okay, and then I also, guys, look at this. I've got these two, and then I went to my to the scrapbook store that I go nearby. I bought some magnets, put some magnets in the back, and I actually created some cover minders. Isn't that cool? And they're pretty tall, pretty high. So they had them in all different colors, but I picked these. Okay, so that's gonna go on my magnetic huge wall, because I gave the smaller one to Olivia, and then I bought a bigger one. Okay, and then the scrapbook store that is nearby that I told you guys about, I bought these Gnome Stamps. Couldn't help myself. Look how adorable they are, guys. For a friend like Gnome One Else. Happy Gnome birthday. Have a magical day. So I can't wait to try these. So you could do these for a card or a scrapbook layout. And then here you have another gnome. It's Happy Bee Day. Buzz. There's bees and there's a beehive. Just adorable. Love it. Okay, and then I got two things from Amazon. So I couldn't help myself. I just love blue. You guys know I love blue. And so this one is another diamond pen. If I can get it out. Let's cut this out here. It's very pretty. See that, guys? It's very, very shiny. And then it came with, let's see, some wax. I think there's two in here. Oops. There's two in here. Oh, actually, there's three. There's three. Which I can't believe that it fits in here, but it does. Oops. Maybe it doesn't. Oh, yeah, it does. Okay. And this is from Amazon, guys. So the same color. And, of course, the tips. Does it have a tape here? Yep, it does. Let's see if I can get this open. Did I get it open? Yep. So let's see how many pieces are in here. So we've got, I guess they're numbered. They're the straightener, the placers. These are a single placer, but not straight. So it's pretty cool. Look at this. It's got all of these. So I usually use this one. I try it here. And if it's too tight, then I'll try the other side. Let's try this here. Pushing it in. Perfect. Okay, and then on the other side, you could use, I don't know, one of these placers. I usually like to use the straightener, because I still have not learned how to use the multi-placers. So there you go. So this one's ready. And then the rest we'll just put back in here in the little container. And when you go to a not a convention, but if you go on a retreat, or if you go to a friend's house, or you could use this for another pen that you buy, that you purchase. Okay, there you go. Very adorable, very cute. Love my new pen. Okay, and then I decided to get this diamond painting from Amazon. If I can get it out of here. Okay, so let's see. Let me roll it the other way. This is actually a funny one. I thought it was funny and cute. Wow. It's actually it's supposed to be a cow. I don't know if you can tell, but it's a cow. See? It's a cow. Let me bring it up so you can see it. And it's got like flowers on its head, and there goes his little mouth, his nostril, and it's got hair on his face. So it's basically, I love the hair, his hairdo, and it's covering her eyes, or his eyes. Oh, it's a cow. It's probably a girl, right? It's just wearing flowers too. But anyway, so I say why not, right? So it's got 25 colors. Okay, it's got a legend on the left-hand side and another one on the right-hand side on the lower side. 25 colors. It doesn't look like it has any ABs, but that has not stopped me before, right? So it's by, I don't know, LRILLMAING. It's right there. I got it on Amazon. And it's 30 by 40 centimeters, which I don't think it's 30. I think it's probably, let's see if I can get a little ruler here. Okay, let's see. How many inches is this? So this is like 9 3/4. And 13 3/4. So in centimeters, let's see. In centimeters, that's 25 and 35. So it says 30 by 40 centimeters, but it includes the surrounding. And so without that, just the painting itself is 25 by 35 centimeters. Okay, see how sticky it is? Very sticky. It's very clear, guys. Let's see, so you can see the, see that? It's very clear. All right, so let's see the colors. Let's turn this around. It's a little bit on the rough side, guys. Of course, it has the tray. Some people call it a boat. It actually looks like a boat. So there goes a little green tray. It's got a diamond pen. It's got 2 axes, and of course some baggies for your beads. Sorry about the noise. Get this baby very quickly open. Oh, okay. All right, so what's going on here? Let's see. So we said how many colors? 25 colors. So let me arrange these and I'll be back. Okay guys, when you put these in the container, this is the DMC code. So you're not going to use that. You're basically going to use the numbers, so 1 through 25, because this doesn't tell you. You see, this just basically tells you 1. 1 is basically 309 in DMC code, the color code. So that's how you do this. And of course the symbols are going to be, it looks like 1 through 8, and then the rest are letters. Okay, So let's see. So you got like a red, pink, black. This is a 310. You got a gray. This is a lighter gray. So you got 3 different grays here. Okay. And a green. There's a little one that came along for the ride. And you've got another green, like a lighter green, a beige, off-white, like I said, an orange, like a yellow orange. That's like a beige. This is a very light gray, and this is like a pink. And this is gonna must be like around the flowers. Okay, and then here you have another lighter pink, another, I guess, pinky. There's a darker one. This is like a brown. Oops, sorry, brown. This is like a little beige, yellow, and off-white, like a lighter tan. And then of course you have the white. And this is a very dark chocolate one. And this is a very pretty color. It's like a tan. And this is another one, but it's like all these are all browns. See that? There's this one. So all very pretty colors. So that's about it, guys. That's all I have for today. I hope you have a wonderful night. Bye-bye. Thank you.